Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to learn how to create a Google Drive link to share your files. It's very easy. First of all, we have to open our Google Drive. Now, this is my Google Drive interface. So, our today's video is all about how to create a Google Drive link. Okay, so it's very easy. Like if I want to have this file link, I'll just simply go to the three button arrow, click on this and click on share. Again click on share, and when you open the file, you will have this kind of interface, which is the general access will be given restricted. So we need to change it to anyone with the link. Okay, and we have to change the role from viewer to editor, because if you don't change it, nobody can download the file that you are sharing. Now just simply click on copy link. So within very few steps and within a few seconds, you can easily create a Google Drive link to share your files. And you can simply share this link with anyone. I will give you an example. Like if I want to share this link with my friend to Gmail, I'll just go to Gmail and wait for Gmail to open. I will again tell you that this kind of process is applicable for WhatsApp Messenger or any kind of social media. Okay, I'm just showing you how it's done in Google, in Gmail, sorry. So I'll just go to this here and just click on Control V, and here you can see that my Google Drive link is pasted. So now with the very simple steps, you can easily can share your Google Drive link with someone. If you like this video, click on the like button, and do share with your friends and family who need this kind of video. Thank you, we'll see you next time.